In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a blank document. This gives you a clean page so you can build your invoice from scratch and customize it exactly the way you want. Once the document is open, go to the Layout tab to set up the page. For margins, choose normal or switch to narrow if you want a little more room for your content. Then make sure the orientation is set to portrait, which is usually the best format for invoices because it keeps everything neat and easy to read. At the top of the page, add your business header. This section should include your business name, your address, your contact number, and your email address. To make it stand out, format your business name with a larger font size, somewhere around 16 to 20 points, and make it more prominent than the rest of the text. This helps create a professional first impression. Next, add the invoice title. Type the word invoice in all capital letters. You can place it in the center of the page or align it to the right depending on the style you prefer. Increase the font size slightly so it's clearly visible and easy to identify at a glance. Below the title, enter the invoice details. Include an invoice number, the current date, and a due date if you want to set one. This information is important for organization and helps both you and your customer track payment timelines. After that, add the customer details. Type the customer's name, address, and contact information. This makes it clear who the invoice is being sent to and keeps the document complete and professional. Now create the main invoice table. Go to Insert, then Table, and choose a table with 4 columns: description, quantity, unit price, and total. This is where you'll list the products or services you're billing for. Enter your line items into the table. For example, you might add a service description, the quantity, the unit price, and the total amount for that item. You can calculate the totals manually or use Excel separately if you prefer to work out the numbers there first. Under the table, add a summary section with the subtotal, tax if applicable, and the grand total. This gives the customer a clear breakdown of the final amount due. Then include your payment instructions. Add the payment method details and state your payment terms, such as when the invoice is due. If you'd like, you can finish with footer notes like a thank you message, terms and conditions, or business policies. Finally, save your invoice using Save As or export it as a PDF for a cleaner file you can send to clients.